Hi boys, good morning. Today we're going to talk about contractions a little bit more. So what is a contraction? A contraction are when we use two words and we combine them together to make one word that is shorter. So a very important part of contractions is that when the words are combined together, they use an apostrophe, which is that little mark you see up on top. So a question might be, how do you make a contraction? So if you have two words like do not, you combine those two words do and not together to make one word. But the second word, not, will be missing some letters. That is what that apostrophe is showing. We're making it shorter and we're replacing some words. Some letters. Those letters are replaced by the apostrophe. So in your English notebook, take out your English notebook if you have not already. If you want to go back, watch this video and make some notes, you can, but you're going to draw a table in your notebook. Right now, we're going to talk about contractions with not. So if I have the word is and the word not, when I take those two words and I combine them together, the word I make is isn't. If I have do and I have not, like we saw in the last slide, now we have the answer. Do not combine together makes don't. If I have can and I have not, cannot combine together makes can't. And if I have will not is in a different color. It is in red on purpose because it is irregular. It's a little different. I saw some of you boys writing wilt. Wilt is not a correct word. It's kind of hard to say. It makes won't. Now, continuing taking notes in your notebook. So we did the contractions with not. Now we're going to do contractions with are. So you are combined together with that apostrophe makes your. They are combined together with that apostrophe makes their. We are combined together with that apostrophe makes we're. Next, we're going to do contractions with will. Contractions with will. So we did with not, we did with are, now we're doing with will. So she will combine together with that apostrophe, taking away some letters, is she'll. You will, very similar to she will. You'll. I will, similar to the two of them. I'll. So if we notice in will, that apostrophe is replacing the letters W and the letters I. In all of them, when we have will, it replaces those two letters. So our final group of contractions we're going to work with is the word is. So if I have what is combined together makes what's. Where is combined together makes where's. She is combined together she's. So just like in will, that apostrophe replaces the W-I in will. Here in is, that apostrophe replaces the I. So it's making those two words, combining them to one. So on the next slide, you're going to see a bunch of different contraction words. You're going to make your own sentences. For example, if I see the word cannot on the list, I know that that makes the apostrophe can't. So in my English notebook, underneath the tables or on the next page, I'm going to make a sentence using can't. So my sentence is, my little brother can't touch the window because he is small. So I'm going to highlight, I'm going to circle, I'm going to write in a different color the word can't, show Miss G that word. So here, it's not a list of 20, it's actually 24 words. There's a list of all of these different words. We're going to practice making some contractions. So you're going to write in your English notebook, you're going to choose 7 of these words, and you're going to write 7 sentences making the contraction with the words, okay? You can, if you don't have your English notebook because it's at school, that's totally fine. Just do it on another sheet of paper, okay? So we have a whole bunch of words, 24 words like should not, cannot, he will, she will, where is, what is. all of these words. You choose 7 different words and you make sentences for me. Okay? Thanks so much, boys. It's good to see you today.